Everybody, welcome. In this video you will learn how you can easily make your own resume in Canva. You will have a link in the description for registering. So what you want to do is just go to the home button and then create a design, and then you want to write here resume. What I really like about the Canva that you are going to have many templates that you can use. So for example, I was looking for this one because this looks like really cool. You just add here your photo through just uploads. I do not think I have photo on my computer here, so I'm going to use a dog. I know it sounds really strange, but this is what it is. Okay. Opa, sorry. And now I will just I will add dog here. Really easy, really simple. Then you can easily rename like Marcus Stone. And yeah, really simple. Contact details, email, portfolio. You can zoom in by pressing Control and going up and down with the mouse wheel, which feels like really simple. And then when you go again to templates, you have many templates. Even this one here is like pretty cool to use. Let's say, okay, I will show you something. Oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to choose this to blue. You can again add your own photo here. Oh, I know what happened. 100%. And this, I want like this. Okay. So now I will just add upload my dog here. Voila. Here we got it. I will just fill it out. Like took a minor. Here I learned how to take care of a dog. And then what I would do, I would just download PDF, print. I would just download it as a PDF file. Okay, here I go. And voila, I have my own really easy resume that you can use. So you have many templates here. Choose what you like the best and take it and use it. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you and goodbye.